Hello, I'm Art. Thank you for joining me today for the latest California real estate market update. Before we look at any of those stats, let's visit some other economics that affect housing market directly. TradingEconomics.com says that inflation rate in the US accelerated to 9.1% in June from 8.6% in May. Energy prices rose by 4.6% and the most since April of 1980. Food costs surged 10.4%, also the most since February of 1981. New vehicles are up by 11.4% and airline fares 34.1% up year-over-year basis. Mortgage rates reported by FreddieMac.com as of July 21st average at 5.54% for 30-year fixed rate mortgage. And as you can see in this chart, rates pulled back a little bit in the beginning of the month down to 5.3, but now they're climbing back up and is expected to see rates going as high as 6.5% by the end of the year. National Association of Builders says that builder confidence dropped 12 points, and it's the biggest drop ever in the history of the index, and it's the lowest reading since June of 2020. So builder confidence is quite low for newly constructed single-family homes in the nation. Now, Redfin posted some interesting articles, and Redfin base all their stats on their own listings, but they're saying that home sales are getting canceled at the highest rate since the beginning of pandemic. Nationwide, about 14.9% of deals falling out of escrow. And even though California market is quite different, we're still witnessing that here as well. Riverside, about 21% of deals fell out of escrow. There are some other California cities here, Sacramento and San Diego, right around 20%. Anaheim, 18.3%. Los Angeles, 17.7% of deals are falling out of escrow. And Bay Area, there was San Francisco in 5.5%. All right, let's dive into the report from California Association of Realtors. And here we're seeing some pullback in price. May set the highest record. It was approaching $900,000 for a median price single-family home. In June, it went down by 3.9%. However, it's still up from last year of about 5.4%. Also, year-to-date statewide home sales dropped by 10.9%. But if we look at the annually adjusted rate, it's down by 21% from last year and 8.4% from May. Active listing count in June went up by 64.4% from a year ago. So that's a huge increase in active listings, and it went up by almost 29% from last month. Now, statewide sales price to list price ratio is still well above 100%, but it's dropping rapidly. In June of 2021, it was 104.1% ratio. Now it's approaching 101. Now, home sales pull back pretty much on all regions in double digits, all 5 regions of California. And Southern California, Bay Area, and Central Coast are all right around 26-27%. Lesser pullback in Central Valley and far north. Sales are doing a little bit better there because properties are way less expensive in those areas. Year-over-year home sales in California counties, all counties, they registered declines except for these two, Glenn County and Mendocino. These are less expensive areas. Look at Glenn County. The median sale price there for a home is $325,000, and Mendocino is $582,000. Comparing to average median California sale price is about $300,000 more than that. Now, year-over-year home prices in California regions. So pretty much all regions registered growth in double digits except for Southern California. Central Coast, Central Valley, and Bay Area, they're well above 10%. And Southern California, 8.4% price growth. If we look at the price growth on the county levels, then some counties are registering huge increase. Look at Santa Barbara, 33.7%. Up in prices. Mono, San Mateo pulling back, however. And then statewide average price per square foot also dropped from last month, but it's still up from a year ago. $424 per square foot in June of 2022 versus $391 in June of 2021. All right, this is it for a quick recap of real estate market in California. And if you guys thinking about doing any real estate moves, please reach out to me. I'll be delighted to assist you with that and help you navigate through this dynamically changing market. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.